this week in my mini, I am using this planner sheet, and it says it's like the book deco sheet. It says we lose ourselves in books and we find ourselves there too. So I'm going to use this from 3 Tiny Bows. I do PR for her. The code is TTBVANNESSA. I've got the post on social media and the YouTube icons from Brianna Nicole Designz. I do PR for her. Make sure you follow my Instagram to catch all the sale posts. I always post there when she has her sales. And then from Crafts by Doraelia, I have this cute weekend. I have already made the little washer into my Instagram. And these do not have like date covers with them. So I used the boxes this week, and I wrote my dates, and I did it a little different, hint different. I just used one of the Crayola Super Tip markers. I thought I'd keep them just so you can see it, and that's just my handwriting. It's not perfect, but it'll work. And then I'm going to use this happy little cloud. I thought this is kind of like a little, a Ferris wheel and hot air balloons, kind of pretty summery spring kit, because I'm not a fall winter person. So I was using these up before it is time to break out the fall kits. So I just picked this up off a de-stash table. Not sure who made it, just thought it was cute. And then from Busy Bee at Baby, I've got this beautiful glittered butterfly clip that I can't wait to use. I mean, look how gorgeous that is. It's got the real chunky glitter, just very pretty, and I thought it looked really nice with this kit. So we'll go ahead and we'll get started with the main parts of the kit first. And I just used various pink ink pens. I like pink. I'm sure by now you've probably all figured that out because you hear about it enough. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. And I'm just putting my full boxes on. I just thought this was a very pretty kit, and I really liked it. Wow, super crooked. This kit is for the Mini Happy Planner, and I do use the Mini Recollections, so it doesn't fit perfectly, but close enough for me. Okay. We'll start with these strips here. Oops, pulled up a couple of them. Then the bottom strip right across here. And I do always have to trim these up just a touch. go ahead and put on my butterfly bottom. And get it to line up. I just thought this was very pretty. And go ahead and put the bottom strip on. The weekends go so fast. It just doesn't seem like the weekend should already be over. I feel like I need some more weekend. Very tired today. So I haven't decided if I'm going to get both of my planners done today or not. I'll put this strip on. And just trim it off. And I think I'm going to leave that top blank. So I'm going to put this other little strip right here because I feel like it needs a little strip there. Alright. Put the top strip on this side. Alright. So now we will add our dates in. Hope the top of my head's not in the way there. And then I made this little extra one, so if I want to put any little notes down there. So this is what I have so far. Oh, I like that with the dates on the outside. Alright. So we have our weekend banner. And I think I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to put these two little circles right here for my Instagram and my YouTube. There's those. So Monday is the day I do all the mini, and then Tuesday would be the day I post the classic stuff. So I'm just going to put borders up with those on there. And then I will just hand write in all the little steps I put in there. Sunday is my plan day. Alright, so for now I think that's all I want from those. Although, I really do like this little heart sticker, this butterfly sticker, so I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold this in half, sticky side out, and I'm going to kind of cut it in half. And these probably are not going to be perfect, because I'm just hand cutting these real quick. I'll make me a couple little butterfly hearts. Make sure my butterflies are the right way. So I'm just cutting on the fold as it sticks to my fingers. A little sharper there, just a little bit sharper there. So they're not perfect, but they look cute, and that's what I was going for. The one heart came out way better than the second one, but I like them. Alright, so there's that. Alright. So Monday is also Monday and Tuesday and Sunday are my social media post. Alright. Let's do some pretty deco in here. Coffee cup for Monday. Of course, go reading books. Put an alarm clock on Monday because it's always a work day. I like this teal planner. I think the succulent's cute. Couple little rolls of washi. Little paper clips down here. I do like that computer says you've got this. Sometimes you need a good reminder during the week. You got this. I actually think I like it like that. I gotta leave myself some room to write. And see, I've still got plenty of these left over for another page, because I'll use the deco stickers 2 or 3 days in a row. 2 or 3 weeks in a row. So here are my clips. And there is my spread for the week. So thank you for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.